Hey everyone, welcome back to Futuristic Rides. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance machines of 2026, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This track-focused beast takes everything we love about the 911 and pushes it even further, combining aggressive aerodynamics, razor-sharp handling, and a naturally aspirated engine that screams performance. If you're a fan of high-revving power and precision engineering, you're in for a treat. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 GT3 RS a true masterpiece. The design of the new GT3 RS is nothing short of breathtaking. Porsche has taken an already aggressive look and made it even more extreme with an updated aerodynamic package. The massive rear wing is even larger than before, now featuring active aerodynamics to optimize downforce at high speeds. Redesigned front air vents and a wider stance give the car an imposing presence, ensuring maximum airflow and cooling for the high-performance components underneath. Porsche's signature LED matrix headlights and lightweight carbon fiber body panels further enhance both aesthetics and performance. Every line, every curve, and every vent on this car serves a purpose. It's all about speed, stability, and aerodynamics. Under the hood, the 2026 GT3 RS remains true to its roots with a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine. However, Porsche has refined it even further, squeezing out more horsepower, now pushing well over 540 HP. The engine revs past 9,000 RPM, delivering an intoxicating soundtrack that only a Porsche GT car can produce. The lightweight titanium exhaust system amplifies the raw, unfiltered engine note, making every acceleration feel like a race day experience. Porsche has fine-tuned the PDK transmission for even quicker shifts, allowing drivers to extract every ounce of power from this machine. With an improved power-to-weight ratio and an even more track-focused suspension setup, the GT3 RS is designed to dominate both the road and the racetrack. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in just over 3 seconds, with a top speed that edges closer to the 200 miles per hour mark. Inside the GT3 RS, Porsche keeps things driver-focused and minimalistic, as expected from a track-ready 911. The lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats provide maximum support during aggressive cornering, while the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel ensures precise control. A revised digital instrument cluster displays real-time track data, including lap times, tire temperatures, and G-force readings. The center console is simplified, with physical controls for essential functions, ensuring that the driver remains focused on performance rather than distractions. Porsche has also introduced an updated infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easier to integrate smartphone functions without compromising the car's racing DNA. Weight-saving measures, including thinner glass and the removal of unnecessary insulation, further emphasize the GT3 RS's commitment to performance. One of the most unique features of the 2026 GT3 RS is its enhanced aerodynamic system. Porsche has introduced a drag reduction system, IDC, similar to what's seen in Formula One, allowing drivers to adjust the rear wing for either maximum downforce or reduced drag at high speeds. This innovation gives the GT3 RS an edge on the track, enabling faster straight-line speeds while maintaining exceptional cornering grip. Another standout feature is the new active ride height adjustment, which automatically lowers the car at higher speeds to enhance stability and reduce lift. Porsche's continued use of advanced lightweight materials, including carbon fiber reinforced plastics and magnesium wheels, ensures that every component is optimized for performance. With all these improvements, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 RS remains the ultimate expression of track-focused performance in a road-legal package. It continues to push boundaries with cutting-edge technology, extreme aerodynamics, and an unmistakable driving experience that few cars can match. Whether on a racetrack or a winding mountain road, the GT3 RS delivers an adrenaline rush like no other. What do you think of Porsche's latest masterpiece? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.